Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you've got a paint store, then keep your eyes peeled because in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to create a website for your business. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video and you haven't heard of Marty Sites yet, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own websites in less than a minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. Once you join the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, paint store. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell Marcy Sites a few basic details about our paint store so it can generate a simple website. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, as well as my city and my state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant template to retail and click on continue. Great, how can our customers get in touch with us? I'm going to go ahead and put in our phone number over here as well as our email address and click on continue. Great. Where is our street address? Where is our paint store located? I'm going to go ahead and put in our street address over here, as well as our postal code. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and a Sunday. We open 7 days a week for all your painting supplies. Awesome. Let's do a quick review, make sure everything's in order, but everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to move along. If you need to make changes, click on update location or update hours and make the necessary changes. And look at that, Marty Sites has literally generated a simple website for my paint store in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you, as you can see, as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality and they're all completely free to use. However, if you've got your own images of your painting supplies that you stock and you want to make one or two changes to that content that was pre-written for you, you can absolutely do that. You don't need to be a web developer. You don't need to know any coding whatsoever. And you certainly don't need to hire anyone to help you with this project either. So today I'm going to be walking you through each section from the top to the bottom so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works, how easy it is to use. So let's get cracking. The first thing I'm going to do is click on update section at the top and click on show email on site. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. We've already put in our address, our physical location, and that is displayed in the top left hand corner. And the great thing about it is when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's head over to update social links. Over here, we can put in the various social media platforms our paint store is active on. So our social media accounts icons will be displayed in the top right hand corner. Our customers can click on it, give us a follow, get some engagement going, and see all the promotions or deals we're currently running at our paint store. I'm now going to hit to update logo. If you don't have a logo yet, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your name and it still looks really great and professional. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and upload it. If you don't have a huge budget to hire a graphic designer or a logo designer, I do recommend you check out canva.com. There are a few great options on there that are completely free to use. Awesome. Awesome, my logo has now been uploaded. We can make it bigger and smaller, but I think that sizing is absolutely perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it as is. Now with Marcy Sites, we've also pre-selected all the colors used throughout the website for you. However, on your business cards, on your logo, maybe on the signage throughout your paint store, maybe it's a completely different color to this that's been pre-selected. You don't need to know any color coding. All you need to do is click on this handy little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. Let's go ahead and select that one. That one looks really awesome, but let me try one more. I actually really like that one as well as that. I'm pretty spoiled for choice here as I like them all, but I think I'm going to go ahead and save that one. That looks great. Over here, I'm going to head over to update image. Now, if you have your own images, browse your device and upload them. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Multi-sites will automatically search for Paint Store, but you can play around with the terms a little bit. You could select paint, search for paints, and see what pops up. Let's check it out. Awesome. So this is picking up more like painting like an artist would do. So let's scroll through and have a look. This one's really suitable. Let's go ahead and actually select that one. Awesome. Let me check it out. That actually looks really great. So I'm going to go ahead and leave that as is and head over to update content. You can change the images at a later stage if you need to. Title, subtitle, which is this content over here, can be changed. Button doesn't need to say get in touch. Perhaps you wanted to say get directions so people can find your paint store easily. Head over to choose link. You can link to another website if need be. An action like click to call directions. So I'm going to go ahead and put it as that. Otherwise, you could upload a PDF file with all your different rates, all the different products you stock, maybe current promotions or deals you're running. Go ahead and put it as a PDF file as well. That is a wonderful option. Over here, again, pre-written content for you. Button can link to various places. Go ahead and make the necessary changes. We've now gone ahead and made our way to the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of your business, how your paint store came to be. Are you a family owned and operated paint store? Have you been in the community for a really long time, or have you just started up your business? Do you carry an extensive range of colors, finishes, and textures? Go ahead and put all the details over here so your customers know a little bit more about you and your background and how your paint store started. We've now made our way into the services section over here. You can put a little bit more details the different services your paint store offers. Do you offer custom color matching services, paint mixing and color consultations? Do you sell interior paint but primers and exterior paint, wood stains and finishes? Go ahead and put all those details over here so your customers know exactly what they can come to your store for and what services you offer. If you need to make any changes to that physical location or the hours we previously put in, head over to update section and make the necessary changes. So look at that. We've literally gone through our paint store websites in not even 10 minutes. We've made changes, amended some photos, content, buttons. It was such a breeze. I didn't need to know color coding, and I certainly didn't need to hire anyone to help me with this at all. It's only going to cost me $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. The great thing about the Marcy Sites trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. They always make you put in your credit card details to even try the service out, but not with Marcy Sites. No credit card needed. So click on the link below this video and sign up for the free trial and just give it a go. See how well it works for you and your small business. If you have a custom domain, all you need to do is click on connect your domain and head over to I already have a domain. Go through the various steps to connecting it. If you're struggling, there is a blog post over on our website, www.martysites.com. Head over to the blog, find the step-by-step guide to guide you on linking that custom domain. You'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. Lots of different blog posts with great helpful tips. So do check it out. If you don't have a domain, really excited, you can now purchase your domain from the Marty Sites platform. We've recently introduced the feature and we're super excited. I really hope this tutorial is helpful in building a website for your paint store. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions, any features you'd like to see and feature on the Mighty Sites platform, all you need to do is comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback on how the service is working for you.